Hello again, Gregfilms here for another Insta360 tutorial where I'll be explaining how I get photos just like this using the Snapshot feature in the Insta360 app. So let's get right into it. Grab your Insta360 X4, switch it to video mode and dial in the settings to 5.7K at 60 frames per second. Take out your tripod, attach the X4 securely on top and find a flat, stable spot to position it on the ground. Now grab your colourful objects. For this example, I'm using soft play balls, and scatter them around the tripod set up on the ground. Make sure to spread them evenly for a balanced and vibrant scene. Once you're happy with the arrangements, connect your X4 to the app for a live preview of the scene. This allows you to make any adjustments if something doesn't look quite right before you start recording. Ensure the area you're shooting in is clear and free of any obstacles. Now you're ready to get creative. Experiment with different angles, moving around and over the camera to capture unique perspectives. Once you've finished your recording, connect your X4 to the app and start exploring the different viewpoints. Adjust the frame to create a border of colourful balls, then scrub through the footage to find the exact point you want to turn into a photo. Once you've selected the perfect moment, switch to snapshot mode to capture that frame. The photo will be saved directly to your camera roll and ready to share on social media. So there you have it. So now you can achieve high quality photos while shooting video at the same time by using the Snapshot feature. We at Insta360 want to see all your creative fun photos, so make sure to use the hashtag Insta360Snap. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly tutorials. Go out and get creative, have fun with it. Until next time, happy shooting.